Hello dear viewers and victorious creators of my channel. As you can see today I have a little container here and I'm going to propagate one of my favorite plants, the pearl string plant. I'm going to cut this longest string and to repot it into these two containers. By the way, this is an example of trash to treasure or upcycling video. These are just the tops of the laundry detergent. Yes, these are the caps of laundry detergent. This one is a cap of a Tatso tea bottle or jar, as you call it, glass bottle. Yeah, you may poke holes on the bottom of this so-called containers if they are going to be the main containers for the pots, so-called quote-unquote pots, or if they are not the main ones like this Tatsu one, place this one on top, make holes on this one on the bottom so the water doesn't get stuck in the container. As you all know, the succulents don't like water, too much water actually. So let's start doing this project. First of all, take the scissors and try to cut from somewhere. I'm going to cut somewhere here. Look, that's it. Good luck to our string in its new home. And the new home is going to be this one. And as you can see, I have two strings hanging here. And I want to make another cutting from this one. Let's see. I will cut it maybe here. Somewhere in between. Yeah. And I'm going to cut it somewhere here. Yay! Good luck to our second string here. Second one will be in this container, and I have one extra small one. I'm going to drop it here. So besides the small containers and the scissors, you will need something to hold the strings kind of closer to the ground or closer to the soil. So this is also another upcycling or trash to treasure item, which is, hope you can recognize, yay, the mask wires. Yes. If you check out, each of the families in America may have bunch of new unused masks that are not needed nowadays that much, unless they come up with another type of virus and force the whole population to wear stupid masks that are not, excuse my language, but those are the main killers of the population, because the mask doesn't let you breathe normal air, and that's how your lungs and the heart complications start. Like with my heart and my lungs. So I know what I'm talking about. Please, whoever has other ideas, write it down in the comment section. I'm sure you will have a bunch of other opinions. Everyone is allowed to have their own opinion. So this one, I'm going to stick one of these. By the way, make sure you're sticking it properly. You hold this part closer to the ground. Don't squeeze the little pearls. Like so. And this little one, wait, it's falling down. The little one I will squeeze in with this little thing here. And nobody will see that we are hiding something here. Do you see this? Okay. In between the pearls and gone to the ground, so this way they won't pop out. You may add another one here, but it's already a lot. These are large ones, they won't come out probably, or hopefully they won't come out from the soil, they won't pop out because they are kind of heavier pearls. These couple of pearls are very large compared to this small one, so whichever is large they will stick to the soil without extra assistance. So the small ones that need some heavy weight here, they got it. So this way you're leaving this string to go down and have its own life. Now let's continue with the second container. And the second one, I can see that here we have extra space in between two pearls. So we're pushing something is in, whoops. Well, it's fine, it can stay like this, it's not going down, that's fine. And the other one will come probably I will need two of this type of thing. Or, oh, okay, I got it. So, do you see here? This thing, you may leave it down, like so. So it's kind of holding two of them. And the other one will be attached somewhere here. Second one. Okay, it went all the way till the end, till the bottom. This way, I guess I'm gonna take this out. Why? Because it's too long, and cut it into two pieces. See, now I have three. Actually, two from here. And where was the other one? Okay, one goes here, the previous spot. And the third one I will place somewhere in here, as you can see it. And our pulse string will remain in the pot and will start growing. So this one has two growing areas. One will go down from here, one will come out and grow down from this side. Hopefully one will grow down from here and one will grow down from here, and I'll have a cute, nice pearl string. So out of one, you have got three. And you may place these cute pearl strings all over your house / apartment, because these are succulents and they may grow fast and make your apartment look very cute and unique. Thanks to everyone who will comment and let me know what other easy plants, easy succulents you may use in your apartment / house without torturing yourself of remembering every time how to cut, what leaves to leave, what kind of food to give to them. These succulents are very easy to grow. So let's help each other with advice and with suggestions and tips and tricks. So thanks a lot for staying with me till this moment, and come back for more. If this was your first time visit, please don't forget to put your thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe. You may share this video with your friends who love gardening and who love houseplants. See you in my next video. Bye bye everyone.